Hi! In this video, we'll walk you through creating and adding discount coupons to your store on Store.link. Let's get started. First, open your Store.link dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Coupons section and click on New Coupon to get started. Here, you'll have the power to choose between two coupon types: a percentage discount and a flat discount. Let me explain briefly about them. A percentage discount lowers the total order value by a specific percentage. A flat discount offers a fixed amount deducted from the total order value. Let's create a percentage discount coupon for starters. Give your coupon a catchy name. We'll give it Purple 15 here. Set the discount percentage. We'll use 15% in this example. Optionally, you can require a minimum order amount for the coupon to apply. Here, let's set it to $50 to encourage higher value purchases. To prevent giving away more than intended, it's wise to set a maximum discount value. We'll put a cap of $100 on this coupon. Next, define the activation and expiration dates to set the time frame that your coupon will be active. We'll set it to begin right away and set the 13th of March as the date of expiration. Decide how many times a customer can use the code. Choose once per customer for single use or unlimited for multiple uses. Once you've configured everything, click Add to save your percentage discount coupon. Want to create a flat discount coupon as well? No problem. Simply follow the same steps: naming your coupon, setting the fixed discount amount, and setting a minimum order amount. Define the validity period, and click Add to save it. Your discount coupons are ready to roll. To test them out, head over to your store and add some items to your shopping cart. During checkout, you'll find a section to apply a discount code. Enter your coupon code and see the discount reflected in your cart total. As we applied Purple 10 as the discount code, a fixed amount of $10 was deducted from the cart total. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and add promotional discount coupons to your Store.link website, boosting sales and customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center